Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Pepe on a Sunday is quite sideways right now. So today's the last day for the weekend, and from tomorrow onwards we're going to start the new week. And as far as I'm concerned, there is still no issues with Pepe, right? It has just been pretty much a sideways consolidation in the past 4 to 5 days, and it's not a big deal because you have been pumping, you've broken above some few resistances, and you are still continuing on. Now, I've given you this yellow box, and this yellow box is still very well maintained right there. So if you have the yellow box, you come down, there are few chances where we may see Pepe coming down like this and retesting 11,319, hold 11,319 and still try to push all the way to the upside. But I highly doubt if it's going to happen, but chances are still there. And yes, if you do come down to 10,000 again, this is pretty much your dead end. So let's look at the weekly because we are about to open up a new week. And as far as the weekly is concerned right now, you can actually see that we have a flag here. So you pushed up for Pepe, you have a little bit of that flag right there, right, on the weekly. So even the weekly does suggest that we still have one more sudden push, and that goes from there to there. And you can see that the technical target for this weekly time frame is still not met, and you may say 25,000-ish, but yes, at least 22,000-ish is where things may go. If I turn off the logarithmic scale, one may say that the technical target is met. So let's check if on the logarithmic scale is met. Yeah, so you went from there to there. We still have 19,000, so it's still not met. You know, a story is not pretty much done. Another thing, do you remember how much I've been talking about wicks and how many people have the stop losses on their wicks as well? Understand that on the weekly, you have people who do swing trading, right? And this is a higher time frame trading for a personality who likes to wait too much and who likes to hold something for a couple of weeks before they don't sell it. Because I want to tell you that there are so many different type of traders. Scalping is a guy that wants to trade very, very quickly within minutes, right? Within 1 hour. You want to get profit like 10% in 1 hour. So you trade very, very quickly. We have intraday traders. We have day traders. Day trader is someone who trades within 24 hours, okay? Intraday trader is someone who is going to trade, buy a coin and hold it for the next 2-3 days until he doesn't get profit. And then you have these guys on the weekly here who are buying a coin to wait for maybe until February next year, March next year. And those people may have been way too bearish that they have opened up short positions, placing in their stop losses right over here on this wicks. Understand that. So there are chances where these stop losses are looking forward to be flushed away. We may actually start to flush away those stop losses, right? And be very, very careful as well. If you are trying to be bearish, I don't think it's bearish at all. We still are not bearish. And again, 10,000 is the place where the dead end comes in. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.